Hello and welcome dear traders and investors. I'm glad to present you the cryptocurrency market review presented by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Bitcoin has recovered by approximately 6,000 USD over the past week. But the broader outlook remains largely unchanged. Despite the rebound, there is still no evidence of a sustained bullish move. Of the 4-hour chart, the previous bullish structure has already been broken, suggesting that Bitcoin could remain under downside pressure in the coming weeks. Following the liquidity sweep we highlighted last week, the market entered a corrective recovery. However, the overall trend on the 4-hour chart remains bearish, meaning any upside should still be viewed as a counter-trend correction rather than the beginning of a new bull market. Our base case scenario remains unchanged. The most likely outcome in the near term is a period of a consolidation, with Bitcoin trading within a broader range between approximately 59k, 67k. Most importantly, there are still no credible technical signs indicating that a broader downtrend has come to an end. Until the higher timeframe market structure turns bullish, rallies should be treated as corrective moves, with the dominant trend continues to favor the bears. On the daily timeframe, Bitcoin continues to trade within a well-established bearish trend. The market structure remains decisively bearish. The CHOCH level has been moved up to 82,800 USD, following the formation of a new lower low. Only a sustained move above 82,800 USD would invalidate the current bearish structure and signal that the downtrend has come to an end. At this stage, however, there are still no credible technical signs of a bullish reversal. As long as Bitcoin continues to print lower highs and lower lows, the broader outlook remains firmly bearish, and we expect the decline to continue. A bearish fair value gap remains in place on the daily chart between 68,000 70,700 USD. This area continues to serve as a primary point of interest for sellers, where new short entry opportunities may emerge if the price retraces into the imbalance. For now, however, the FEG has not yet been tested. Until Bitcoin revisits the zone and provides confirmation through bearish price action, traders should remain patient and wait for high probability setups rather than anticipating an early reversal. On the 4-hour timeframe, Bitcoin remains in a clear bearish trend. The CHOCH level that had been supporting the corrective recovery has now been broken, confirming that sellers have regained control of the market. The new CHOCH level, defining the current bearish structure, is located at 65,600 USD. As long as the price remains below that level, the downside trend remains intact. Bitcoin did react to the third bearish FEG, but the response was relatively weak. At the same time, price swept the liquidity, retesting below the June 25-26 lows, completing the liquidity grab we had anticipated. As expected, that sweep triggered a corrective rebound. However, we do not expect the current recovery to be particularly strong or long-lasting. The broader market structure continues to favor the bears, and the rally appears to be nothing more than a counter-trend move. At the moment, no new ICT patterns have formed on the 4-hour chart, leaving traders without fresh high probability setups. Unlike Ethereum, Bitcoin is also showing no clear signs of entering a consolidation phase. Until new bullish signals emerge or the higher timeframe structure changes, the current rebound should be viewed as a temporary correction within an ongoing downtrend. That's all for today. See you online soon and good luck.